Good morning, students. I hope everybody is safe and fine at home. We have completed our term 1. You have given your exams. Some of the students have done very well. So, let's begin with our term 2 syllabus. We will start with chapter 7, the study of continents, South America. As we have studied North America in term 1, we will study South America in term 2. We have studied that Christopher Columbus started his journey for India, but he reached to West Indies in 1492. And after the discovery of North America in 1497 by Amerigo Vespucci, Christopher Columbus again traveled and discovered South America on 1st August 1498. Or we can say that in 1498, Spain colonized South America. Before Spain's colonization, South America was ruled by Inca Empire, which dominated or ruled other Native American tribes in Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, and some parts of Chile and Argentina. The people of Inca Empire were very flourished. They started building attractive cities and fine roads in their empire. If we talk for the South America, Central America and West Indies, they togetherly make Latin America. Because of the language that is spoken over there, we call them as a Latin America. Latin America were discovered and colonized mainly by the Southern Europe, the Spanish and the Portuguese. So we can say that the Europeans settled first in Latin America, then in North America. Latin America was colonized by Spanish and Portuguese. Mostly Latin America countries speak Spanish and Portuguese only. The languages of these countries were derived from Latin, and Latin is the language of ancient Rome, or we can say one of the oldest language. So we can say that the people of South America were basically colonized by Spanish and Portuguese and also adopted their language and their living style. Then comes the location and extent of South America. As it is clear from the name that the South America lies in southern hemisphere, but not completely. Its two-third part lies in southern hemisphere and one-fourth in the northern hemisphere. So we can say the two main latitudes passes through it, that are equator and the Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degree south. If you remember, which latitude passes through North America? Yes, that is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north. So if we study for its latitudinal extent, that is 13 degree north to 55 degrees south. Please note that it is 13 degree north, as equator have passed from it. So we have both the points north as well as south with it. And the longitudinal extent is from 35 degree west to 81 degree west. Both will be on the west. Then comes the surrounding of water bodies. Same like North America, Atlantic Ocean is in the east and Pacific Ocean is on the west. But in the north there is Caribbean Sea, and in the south the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean meet. The Isthmus of Panama joins it with the Central America, or we can say North America. As all the main terms we have already studied in North America chapter. So keeping all those things in mind, we will study or we will change our data regarding the South America. Rest the terms will go same. Okay, then comes the political division. South America was colonized by Europeans. Colonized mean when some other country people controls the political power of other country. So we can see that South America was controlled by Europeans. They also took the trade benefits. They created their monopoly. Monopoly is when there is only one seller and many buyers. So they created their own monopoly as they were the only seller in South America, and the South America complete whole South America was buying things from them. Through trade they started creating their monopoly, and then they started controlling the political powers of South America. So Brazil was colonized by Portuguese, and rest of the continent was colonized by the Spaniards, that is the Spanish people. In early 19th century, all the countries became independent except French Guiana. So at present we can see that there are 12 independent countries, and 13th French Guiana is a French territory, or it is still under France. If we talk for the colonization, still the French Guiana is under France, and the two islands, that is the Falkland and the South Georgia, are under UK, that is United Kingdom. So we can say that in South America continent there are 12 independent countries, from which Brazil is the largest country, and one country is under France, and two islands are colonized by United Kingdom, or we can say UK. So this much for today. Rest the physical features we will study in the further videos, that is tomorrow. Thank you.